Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. My name is Evita and I love posting cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. So today I am on my back porch slash back patio, and as you all can see, it is a hot mess. So last year I didn't put the chairs or the rug away. Like, I just left everything out, and I wish that I hadn't done that because I totally ruined the rug. But I'm just going to keep it anyways. Let's jump into this cleaning video so you guys can see how filthy and how dirty everything was out there. So the first thing that I wanted to do was tackle this shed. As you all can see, there is a lot of stuff in there, and it's not really big, but I did get rid of a lot of stuff. I wanted to organize it, make it look a little better, and also just declutter it. But the first thing I'm doing is just removing everything from out of here. Then I'm going to sweep. I'm also going to get all those spider webs, and then I'm going to use a little dish soap on the floor and clean it off. I'm just going through everything that came out of the shed, what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to donate, and then what I'm going to give to my sister. When I moved this white bag, there were a ton of worms under it. You guys, I am terrified of worms. I don't know why, but you guys see all these worms. So I took one by one on like leaves and sticks and just removed them all because I did not want to sweep them up. I did not want to kill them. So it took me forever just to remove all of them.
I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting
I want to take this time out to introduce myself. My name is Evita. I am a wife and also a mother. I currently live in South Carolina, hence all of the pollen that's everywhere. But if you guys enjoy cleaning motivational videos, go ahead and give my video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads.
Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll
So can we talk about how disgusting this rug is? You guys, I am so upset with myself for leaving it out after the summertime ended last year. Like, I literally scrubbed this rug for about 45 minutes trying to get it clean. And yeah, you guys will see it at the end. I mean, it's clean, but I'm just upset with myself. If I had to put it away, I wouldn't have had to do all this scrubbing and all this extra work. But I'm just going to keep it because, like I said, we're moving soon. And I'm not going to buy anything else new for this house. I'm saving everything so I can buy everything new for the new house.
chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful. Yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away.
I'm somewhere in the middle. Try to find myself again.
So this table and the chairs were extremely dusty. You guys can probably see all that dust on the table, but I'm just using, again, dish soap to clean everything. I didn't want to use anything that would like mess with the environment, and apparently dish soap is okay to use outside. But yeah, I scrubbed this table. I don't know what was on it. It was like something very sticky. And I'm going to go inside and get a Brillo pad and try to scrub it off, but it just stayed on there. I don't know what that stuff was, you guys.
And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it. I gotta go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. 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 Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it. I gotta go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. To better times. To better times.
So right here, I'm just cleaning off everything that came out of the shed that I'm going to put back in. I'm cleaning off all the spider webs, all the dust, you guys. It has so many spider webs on this thing right here. It was ridiculous.
I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff. Go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. 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 On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and
got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
Here are the end results. If you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivational video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a cleaning video. But I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without